What if creating powerful AI prompts didn't require hours of trial and error? What if you could take a simple idea and turn it into a clear, detailed prompt that helps artificial intelligence understand exactly what you want? Welcome to SmartPromptIQ Pro. SmartPromptIQ Pro is designed to make working with artificial intelligence easier, faster, and more productive. Today, AI can help us write, research, create content, develop business ideas, solve problems, build marketing campaigns, learn new skills, and accomplish tasks that once took hours. But there's one important thing to remember. The quality of the results you receive from AI often depends on the quality of the instructions you give it. That's where SmartPromptIQ Pro comes in. Instead of staring at an empty prompt box wondering what to type, SmartPromptIQ helps you turn your idea into a more complete and structured prompt. You don't have to be a prompt engineer. You don't have to understand complicated AI terminology. And you don't have to spend hours experimenting with different instructions just to get the result you're looking for. You simply start with what you want to accomplish. Maybe you want to create a marketing campaign. Maybe you need help writing an article. Maybe you're starting a business. Maybe you want to create social media content. Maybe you're researching a new idea. Maybe you're developing software. Or maybe you're simply trying to get a better answer from your favorite AI assistant. SmartPromptIQ helps you take that initial idea and develop it into a stronger instruction for AI. Think about how most people use artificial intelligence. They type a short question, press enter, and hope for a great answer. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. When the answer isn't right, they rewrite the prompt, then they try again, and again, and again. Before long, they've spent more time trying to explain the task than actually completing it. SmartPromptIQ Pro is designed to reduce that trial and error. It helps you think about important details such as your goal, your audience, the context of the task, the type of response you need, and how you want that response structured. The result is a prompt that gives artificial intelligence more useful information to work with. Here's a simple example. Imagine you're starting a new business and you type into an AI assistant, "Help me market my business." The AI can certainly give you an answer, but that request doesn't tell the AI very much. What kind of business do you have? Who are your customers? What are you selling? What makes your company different? Where do you want to advertise? What's your budget? What tone should your marketing use? What are you trying to accomplish? Now imagine providing those details as part of a structured prompt. You tell the AI about your business, your products, your ideal customer, your goals, your brand personality, and the marketing channels you want to use. Then you ask the AI to create a complete 30-day marketing strategy with social media ideas, promotional campaigns, email concepts, calls to action, and measurable goals. That's a completely different conversation. You started with a simple idea, "Help me market my business." But you transformed that idea into a detailed instruction that gives AI the information it needs to provide a more useful response. That's what SmartPromptIQ is designed to help you do. Another powerful advantage is the ability to work with prompt templates. Sometimes you know what you want to accomplish, but you don't know how to structure the request. Instead of starting from scratch every time, templates can give you a starting point. You choose what you're trying to accomplish, customize the information for your situation, and create a prompt that's ready to use. This can be especially valuable for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Imagine being able to create structured prompts for product descriptions, customer emails, social media campaigns, business planning, research, advertising ideas, brainstorming, and everyday productivity. And once you discover a prompt structure that works well, you can use that approach again. SmartPromptIQ isn't designed only for experienced AI users. It's also designed for people who are just beginning to discover artificial intelligence. That's an important part of our mission. Technology should make life easier, not more confusing. You shouldn't have to become a programmer just to benefit from artificial intelligence. SmartPromptIQ helps make the process more approachable by helping you understand what information AI needs and how to communicate your ideas more clearly. For experienced users, that structure can also help speed up everyday workflows. Instead of rebuilding instructions every time you start a project, you can begin with a stronger foundation and focus more of your time on the actual work. And SmartPromptIQ is about